Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Shane Marie Caida, 34 years old, single, and I am living here with my 1-year-old son and a 57 years old mother. I graduated a 2-year course of practical nursing here in Philippines. And I have also have 5 years work experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. And my work skills there are I take care of elderly. I also go to the market, cooking, laundry, ironing clothes, cleaning, and many more household chores. And I also have experience of taking care of newborn to toddler. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money and to plan for my future and for my family. To my future employer, I promise to serve you more years and I follow your rules and regulations. Thank you in advance. Bye-bye.